Hi, my name is Maria. I'm a mathematician, and today I'm going to tell you how to make graphs on the TI-84 Plus. So in your calculator, you're going to look for the button on the upper left-hand corner that says y equals. So a lot of people try to go to graph right away. You can't. You need to go to y equals. So look in your calculator, upper left-hand corner. You're going to see the button y equals. Then you're going to get a list of y1 equals, y2 equals, y3 equals, and so on and so forth. So if you're graphing a system, you're going to have to fill in more than one of these. But if you're just graphing a line or a quadratic, you're just going to use one line. So let's say I'm graphing a quadratic and I'm given x squared plus 3x plus 2. You're going to go ahead and just type that right into your calculator, and then you're going to hit the button that says graph. Okay? Now, a couple of things to be aware of. If you had a negative, if this was a negative x squared, don't use the minus button. I know that with a lot of the regular scientific calculators, they're interchangeable. It's not on the TI-84 Plus. You have to use the negative sign, which is all the way at the bottom. On the right side of the zero, there's a negative sign. So make sure you use that and not the minus sign. The second thing to be aware of is if you can't see your whole graph, so this is going to graph an upside down parabola. If you only see that part of it, if that's all you're getting on the graph, that means that your window is too small. So your axes might only go up to 2 on the positive side, 2 on the negative side, and up and down. So what you have to go is to the button that says window, which is in the same row as the y equals and as the graph. So you go to window, and what you want to do is always have your x minimum, x maximum, y minimum, y maximum set at negative 10, 10, negative 10, 10 respectively. So set your x min to negative 10, x max to positive 10, and do the same thing with the y's. And all that does is make sure that you have a graph that goes up to 10 this way, up to 10 this way, down to negative 10, and over to negative 10, which gives you a good space, okay? And if you're still only seeing part of your graph, then just make your window even bigger, make it go up to 20, and just test it out. So those are the basics of using the TI-84. My name is Maria, and I just told you how to graph on the TI-84 Plus.